What is going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be setting up a few different things for my businesses. I have two companies, one with 109,000 followers, which I'm kind of like holding off on growth right now. The reason is because I want to do another clothing drop, which you guys may have or may have not seen my kind of ideas or beginning of design inspo for that. But more so, I mentioned in that previous video that I fucked up, and not only for this 109,000 follower page, but for this 2.9 million follower one, Best Celebrations, which I also want to release clothing on. The reason is I never built an email list or phone subscriber list. And when you want to go and do a drop, the platforms are going to nerf you like fucking crazy. So I went ahead and I built two different landing pages with V0, and I'm gonna connect these to Supabase. And alright, so I'm back and I'm hyped to say that we have successfully created a user database in Supabase, using essentially all we had to do was create our own user database with a table and then enable our RLS. And so once we got that, everything was pretty simple. Maybe took about 10 minutes to do so. I'll link the video below that I used, but let me show you guys this in action. So essentially you would have your email, you would go and say confirm, then you would have this countdown after you submit it. And if we went over to Supabase and refreshed, we would notice that everything is all set up and working perfectly. Exactly what I needed. Essentially, when you watch this video, all you're gonna have to do is you will go to your table editor, you'll add a new table, and then you'll create a few different functions and add some code to the RLS function, to make sure that when someone authenticates themselves that they are set up all properly. So epic. Next step is we are going to go over to V0 and connect culture to the site. So I actually asked V0 how to do this because I was like, okay, what do I do? And it seems like the simplest way to do it is going over to Vercel, going over to the project form, which in this case it's minimalist newsletter form, and then we will go to settings. So right now the project name is V0 minimalist, keep messing that up, newsletter, and we're just going to rename that culture newsletter. Okay, I have no idea what that means. Maybe we should not do that right now. Alright, let's pass for now. No idea what that means. See, like, for me, it's like, maybe I go to domains. Okay, so right now, we are connect to an environment.